I can actually walk you through how to do that as well. How you can assign certain resources to other so like I can assign an employee to another resource, and through that assignment they have access to it. Now that's actually something different. What you're doing there is you're establishing permissions based on a field assignment, where I would drag, let's say I have, in the case you gave, I would have actually we'll call this maintenance. You would have a maintenance resource that would have, you might have a select drop down and say, what is the thing that needs maintenance? And we'll give this an easy API key of type. The data could then be light pole. It might be something else. Street light. And then what you would have is you would have an employee that you would assign to this maintenance record. You don't want to give employees access to all maintenance records. You only want to give them access to the maintenance records in which they were assigned, is what I'm hearing from you.
Yes.
So the way that you do that is you actually do have an employee here, a resource. So I would do employee. I would make sure that I refer to my employee, and I'm going to use their email. I'm going to hit save. So what I'm essentially doing here is assigning an employee a maintenance, and this might also even have a description. Text area, description. You might even have a date field. Due. And then you also have assigned the employee. Now, what did we just do here? We actually created a form that will allow us to select our employees. Now, I didn't create my employees with email addresses, which is why you're not seeing anything here. I could change this to say first name, last name, and you would see them. So now I have the ability to assign an employee, give it a due date, what needs maintenance, light pole, and then provide a little description and then hit submit. What did we just do here? Well, we just created a record that created an assignment. We actually did not give this employee access to this maintenance item. The way that you do that, that's not self-access. That's this special thing down here called submission resource access. The way that works is that allows you to assign ownership of a record based on the assignment of a field within that record. So essentially what I want here is I want my employees, whoever I selected as the employee, should now have admin access over this maintenance record.